In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find MailerLite API key. In order to do this, you first need to head over to MailerLite.com, and from this part, you can head over and click on the sign up free in order to create an account, or if you already have one, click on this login option. Since I already have an account, let's head over and then log in. Now I have in here my dashboard, so just wait for this to load. Here is our actual dashboard. In order to find your MailerLite API key, you first need to head over here into this left sidebar, scroll down from there, and you can see my integrations right here. Click on the integrations. Once you're done with that, you should be able to see in here the integrations that you have made. We have in here the MailerLite API. You can choose in here what kind of API you want. It can be API only, e-commerce API, or webhooks. For this case, let's choose in here API. Click on use. Just wait for this to actually load. And here is our actual API. This is the API that I have created for WordPress. You can click onto this edit right here, or you can expand it in order to delete it. If you click on edit, you can see in here this, update the token, and then from in there, get the actual API. So you need to make some updates in order to get the new API right here. So for example, you can change up the options right there. If you want, you can also generate a new API by clicking on this generate new token, entering right here the API name. For example, let's name this email. Choosing here the IP restrictions and accept the terms and conditions. Click on this create token, copy in here this API, or you can also download it. And then you can use it right there in order to actually add this API into whatever use you need for it. So that's how you find MailerLite API key. Hope we helped.